The sequel to the hugely successful film Bunty or Bubbly was the most awaited film this year. Now, while most of the shooting had been completed in Abu Dhabi earlier, things came to a standstill owing to the lockdown. But now, with the government opening things up, it seems like Yash Raj Films is all set to resume shooting on this film and complete the last schedule, mind you, with all precautions in place. Now, the last schedule of this film seems to have a very special song which features all 4 lead cast members. This is going to be really exciting. Check out the story.
The first Bunty or Bubbly is still remembered for being an entertaining rom-com with great music. Bunty or Bubbly 2 stars Saif Ali Khan, who replaces Abhishek Bachchan, Rani Mukherjee, Siddhant Chaturvedi and Sharvari Wagh. The cast, who has been busy shooting an important section of the film in Abu Dhabi when the lockdown was announced, has been waiting for restrictions to be lifted so that they can complete the film. With the government now allowing film shoots to resume under safety guidelines, debutant director Varun V. Sharma is now planning the film's last schedule, and we hear that a special song featuring all 4 actors, which was supposed to be an outdoor shoot, will now be filmed indoors at Yash Raj Studios with just a few crew members. Shooting in a studio will also make it easier for the team to adhere to the guidelines. A source close to the film shares, the song is one of the highlights of the film. After much deliberation, Varun and producer Aditya Chopra decided that shooting it within the premises with a minimal crew would be the best course of action. The track will be shot in August once the permissions are in place. We have also learnt that the remaining portions of the film will also be completed in a studio in Mumbai. While no official statements have been made by Yash Raj Films, it's great to hear that so many stalled films will hopefully get a chance to be completed very soon.